With Badgr, staff and learners can view all their course achievements and access pathway progress in their LMS or from the Badgr web app, making it easier to connect badges to the overall learning experience. In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Badgr in your LMS to supercharge your badging program. After the Badgr app has been installed and configured, instructors and course designers can manage the badge requirements in their courses. They can also utilize privacy-protected leaderboards and engaging learning pathways to motivate and encourage learners to continue through their learning journey. The Progress menu item allows instructors to track learners' badge progress by visualizing how many learners have achieved the configured requirements. Instructors can also track pathway progress by visualizing how many learners have successfully completed the pathway and earned the completion badge. By clicking on Learner Progress, instructors can track individual learner progress towards badge earning and pathway completion. Next, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Privacy-protected leaderboards allow you to add an element of gamification to your courses. The Badgr leaderboard can be used to see learner progress in the course in comparison to other learners. It also helps to gamify the learning experience by encouraging learners to earn as many badges as possible. By clicking the Edit Options button, issuers have the option of enabling or disabling the leaderboard, using aliases on the leaderboard, and allowing individual learners to share their real names. Badgr Pro users are additionally able to assign different leaderboard points to each badge. This can give additional importance to harder-to-earn badges or difficult concepts. This is done from the Progress tab by locating the badge you wish to assign a unique number of leaderboard points to, clicking the ellipses button, and selecting Edit Requirements. Then enter the number of points this badge will be worth on the leaderboard. The next feature we'll look at, available only to Badgr Pro users, is Pathways. Badgr Pathways provide the ability for badge program administrators and staff to map out badged curriculum in a format that is easy to follow for learners. Admins can track group and individual progress on the pathway and award milestone badges automatically. Learners can track their own progress and look ahead to plan the next steps in their learning journey. To associate a pathway, navigate to the Setup tab in the top menu, then click the Pathways tab. Click the Add Pathway button, select the pathway you wish to connect to this group, and click Add Pathway. Badgr Pathways enrollment is synchronized with your course roster. With the Badgr Group's LTI tool, students are automatically enrolled in the group based on the course roster. At the bottom of the Progress tab, instructors will find a Resync Now button that will update the group. Groups will automatically update once a day, but may need to be manually resynced earlier if new students have been enrolled or the gradebook has been changed. Finally, let's review how to manage the requirements for badge awarding in Canvas. All Badgr users will be able to automate badge awards based on module completion and will be able to create manually awarded badge requirements to be tracked in Canvas. Badgr Pro users will also be able to create associations to individual assignments, the overall course grade, and track externally awarded badges. To get started, navigate to the Setup tab and click the Manage Canvas Requirements button. All Badgr users will be able to use the checkboxes to select which modules that, once completed, a badge should automatically be awarded to the learner. Once selecting all desired modules, use the Select Badge drop-down menu to choose which badge will be awarded, or click the ellipses to create a new badge. Badgr Pro users will be able to award a badge based on course grade or course completion. To award a badge based on a course grade, select the Course Grade checkbox. Use the Requirement drop-down menu to select Percentage Score or Complete Item. Then use the Badge Awarded drop-down menu to choose the badge that will be awarded for a course grade, or create a new badge by clicking the ellipses button to the right. Badgr Pro users will also be able to automatically award badges based on individual assignment. Depending on the assignment, instructors will be able to choose from point score, percentage score, or completion of the assignment. And just like the other requirements, instructors will be able to choose from the drop-down of existing badges or create a new badge. For additional badge awarding options, navigate back to the Setup tab and click the ellipses button next to Manage Canvas Requirements. All Badgr users will be able to choose the Add Manually Awarded Badge option. Badgr Pro users will also see the Add External Badge option. First, let's learn how to add a manually awarded badge to a course. This feature allows an issuer to add a badge to a group that can be manually awarded by the issuer in Canvas when the learner has met the requirement. Issuers will manually mark learners as having the requirement in the group and a badge will be awarded. Select the badge from the drop-down menu to be awarded, provide a short requirement label for the badge requirement, include an optional requirement description to provide details to help learners complete the requirement, and add optional notes to staff to provide additional info to help staff evaluate the learner's work. If the leaderboard has been enabled, Badgr Pro users will be able to assign leaderboard points to this badge. Once complete, click Add Badge. To mark a manual badge as complete from the Progress tab, select the manual badge that you wish to award. Once you've selected the badge, choose a learner from the Learner Progress list. After selecting a learner, click the Award Badge button. Finally, let's review how to add an externally awarded badge to an instructor's course, which is only available to Badgr Pro users. An external badge tracks learner acquisition of a badge that is awarded outside of Canvas. With this option, Badgr will look into a learner's Badgr backpack to see if they have earned a specific badge. If the learner has earned the badge, the external badge will be automatically marked as complete. To configure this, select the Add External Badge button. Then, select the badge to be tracked from the Select Badge drop-down menu. If the leaderboard has been enabled in the course, choose the number of leaderboard points to assign to this badge. Then click Add Badge. Now you know the powerful features and options for awarding badges to learners in a Canvas course. By leveraging Badgr in an LMS, it's easy for staff to connect badges to the overall learning experience and for learners to see their progress towards learning goals and achievements.